Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I will show you how to pair your headphones Realme Buds Air 5 Pro to your Android device. You have to start by open Settings, then go to Connected Devices or Bluetooth. Now click on Pair New Device, then open the case and then press and hold connectional button for at least 3 seconds. You can see that light starts flashing white. Here we go. You can just click connect, or you can find it here and click on it. Then pair. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!